तेरी बातों में ऐसा हो जाता है और crew both were not intense.
It's a thriller. It has a lot of action, and it has a very aggressive character.
It's been very good, as you said. Touchwood this year has started really well, and two very different films. And the third one is extremely different from what I've ever done. I'm also co-producing for the first time, so that's also exciting. It's me and Kajol ma'am coming together with, of course, Shahir and Tanvi ma'am and other amazing actors. And you will know more about it very soon. It's not really changed me, but I can realize that it's a tough job. Yeah, you have a lot more respect for producers because you realize, okay, itna easy nahi hai to make a film, and there are a lot of things that happen on a set. There are a lot of, ups and downs that go on while making a film. There are a lot of things which are not in your control also at times. The time limit, the budget, all of that, how hard it is to actually make music, and to sometimes when things get changed on edit table. That is so amazing. I always felt like editing is something that really makes the film. I mean, to be honest, तेरी बातों में ऐसा हो जाता है और crew both were not intense. So that's not true. I can't keep doing one kind of film. Definitely, Mimi has been a very special film. But at the end of it, I feel it's the story that touches people's hearts, right? So you also, as an actor, have to keep reinventing yourself and keep doing different stuff. That's what at least I try and aim. So whether you see Teri Baaton Mein or you see Crew, very different as films. Dopati is going to be again very different. But not every film gives you a character that makes you, dig that deep in. Sometimes it's also the story that's the main star of the film. I mean, it's too soon to say anything, but I hope that people make more such films firstly and take the risk of putting good enough money on it. Who comes first for me? No, it's not first, second, third, to be honest. It's what is required at that point, to be honest. When you do something that you're passionate about, I don't think you feel the need to balance. It happens on its own, When I'm on a film set as an actor, I'm there as an actor. My producer bulb doesn't switch on immediately there. There are other people, thankfully, taking care of that. When I come back home and I have messages from Hyphen Group, and I sit back on that. I have some samples from them. I'm trying that. So I think when you're passionate, you're excited, and then you figure it out. पहले आप दोपति का character तो देखो, quality कैसे बताऊँ अभी?
Yeah, well, first, thanks for dedicating an entire universe to my intense performances. I never saw it like that, but I guess when you do something that you've, like you said, the word intense, right? So maybe broadly that's how people are viewing it. And one kind of understands that whenever you make a choice which is in a space that people have liked you with, the responsibility is to make it new and different. So for me, the attempt is to try and bring a new aspect of my personality without taking away from what the film needs. And I'm really excited. It's out on the 14th of Feb. And it's a thriller. It has a lot of action, and it has a very aggressive character, and it's pretty much a whodunit. So keeps you on the edge till the end, hopefully. And I'm very excited about it. It's all about my wife and skin products,
And I don't endorse any, so there's no conflict. Are you coming in or are you leaving?
No, I'm just okay. But I do feel that art is something that should be appreciated, and if you get extremely critical about it, I think it takes away from your experience of whatever it is that you're watching. And I stopped myself from doing it because I've been working for 21 years now. So of course, for me, it's my job, it's my life. And sometimes when you get very technical and critical about it, it takes away from your own ability to enjoy something. To do any part offered by him, some of my best work has been with him. He has definitely been the reason why I was able to kind of discover myself in a different avatar as an actor, apart from just being seen in a certain space. So it's a privilege to work with Vishal sir again, and it is a very interesting film. Probably the most accessible, relatable subject that we've chosen. Sometimes we've chosen extremely intense subjects which could be a bit too dark and broody, but this one is, I think, a lot more open, and I think a lot of people would be interested in a subject like this, so I'm very excited about that. It's always a pleasure. I've hosted with him multiple times. He has the best sense of humor, he's the best host, and we love him.